Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add capital in Zoho Books. So first, you may want to head over to books.zoho.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Banking. And from here, we're just going to choose our bank. And next is click on Add Transaction. And from here, scroll down until you see Owner's Contribution. So click on it. And from here, we're just going to fill in details. Let's start adding our capital. Start by choosing an account. From here, we're going to pick owner's equity. Then next is add in the amount received via cash. Choose what mode of payment did you receive this. Also add more details such as reference number, description, and attachments if applicable. Then once done, head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!